So we got a little experiment going out here at the property in regard to our rainwater collection, and we've been trying to brainstorm on how we can store and use our rainwater during the winter time. And so we're giving something a try. We've had this setup going for probably close to a month now, and we've had some below freezing temperatures, and so far it seems like it's working. I don't know how well it's going to work when we get further on into winter and have a bunch of below freezing days in a row, but for the time being it seems to work. So I'll give you a little tour here of what we got going on. So if you remember from our rainwater catchment system videos, we had this little deal going down into an IBC tote, and what we've added is a pop-up greenhouse that's surrounding the tote, and we have an extra tote in there now too. But the thought about this is that during the daytime the sun will warm it up in there, and the tanks are all covered in black, so they will absorb heat from the sun and hopefully put it off at night and kind of keep themselves from freezing up so easily. So we got it coming in there. This is the one that feeds in from the top of this roof here, and then this was pretty much full when we came out today, so I got a pipe going over to this one, and I'm filling this one up right now, just gravity feeding over, so it'll be, it'll even out. Whatever half of what's in here will go in here, and then this will have, if we get some more precipitation, that'll give that room to fill up, and then we can move it back over here then if that fills up. So we could have two IBC totes full of water here, and so far it seems pretty good. Got a little thermometer in here, and today it's not particularly sunny. I've kind of been in and out of here, but it's looking like it's around 51, 52 degrees in here, and the outdoor temperature today is in the mid to low 30s, and that's kind of the way we've been noticing every time we've checked on it. So it seems like it pretty much holds, at least during the day, it pretty much holds right around 20 degrees warmer inside here than the ambient temperature outside. So I think that's positive. Even if we get down into the 20s, it should still be above freezing in here. And these tanks are not, I'm not going to keep hoses hooked up to them, because the hose would be the first thing to freeze. If the tank starts to kind of freeze around the outside edges, it's not going to be a big deal. It'll thaw back out, but I just want to try and keep them from freezing solid so we still have some usable water. Now, as far as getting it into our camper, if it's super cold out, I haven't figured that part out yet. I may have to get a heated pipe, those heated fresh water lines, and put out there. But then I got to plug that in, so we still haven't got our solar system hooked up at this point, and that'll take a little bit of power, but I guess for the limited amount of time we might be using it to fill our tank up, it probably wouldn't be too bad. But anyway, that's our little experiment going on here. We'll kind of see how it goes when we get some colder days. We have had some days that are down, have been down into the teens at night, and I haven't been out here to check, but every time we've come out here though, it's been above freezing inside the greenhouse, and have not seen any ice that I can see in the tanks. So they have stayed liquid the whole time. So far, positive results.